ECDL Advanced, Lesson 51, Custom Lists and Sorts. This is the final lesson from Section 11, and in this section we've so far looked at Lesson 49, which was sorting data, Lesson 50, which was multiple column sorts, and now we're looking at Lesson 51, Custom Lists and Sorts. The normal sort function will order items alphabetically or numerically, ascending or descending. It is, however, possible to sort data into any specified order using custom lists. Some custom lists are provided as defaults in Excel, others can be defined by the user. Okay, let's open the workbook Invoices. In cell H5, type the words Order Day. In cell H6, put in Tuesday. And then from H7 down to H14, we want to enter a random selection of days to represent the day on which each order was received. As this is a demonstration, don't worry about matching days to the actual date field. Okay, let's put in some random days. A normal sort on the Order Day column will arrange the days in alphabetical order. To sort it into weekday order, click a cell in column H, and from the Home tab, select Sort and Filter, then Custom Sort. In the Sort By box, show Order Day, so the down arrow and Order Day, and then on the Order drop-down, select Custom List. Select the list starting Monday, Tuesday, that's this one here, and click OK to return to the Sort dialog box. If we then click OK, it will sort the list into weekday order. As you may have noticed, the start of the week is classed as Monday, and the last day of the week is classed as Sunday. Once a custom sort has been requested, the sort order will be used as the default the next time Sort Options is displayed. Okay, we've finished this part, so let's close the workbook without saving. And now let's set up a proper custom sort. Okay, so let's start a new workbook. In cell A1, enter the word Name, and in cell B1, the word Status. Create a list of at least 10 names. We're going to do 10. The surname, then a space, then the first name. And we want to put all of these names in column A, just underneath the word Name. And then under Status in column B, randomly add 4 that have the words Production, 2 that say Supervisor, 2 that say Administration, and finally 1 that says Director. Let's widen the columns. Okay, if we place the cursor in the Status column, this data can now be sorted into the custom list order. So again, from the Home tab, select Sort and Filter, and then Custom Sort. The custom lists displayed in the last diagram can be added to. This is used when a list of items is frequently used, as it saves time entering them or sorting them into a non-alphabetic order. For example, a list of employees, departments, etc. Firstly, make sure we've ticked, or checked if you prefer, My Data has headers. Click the Order drop-down list and select Custom List. A list is created by entering the items. Enter the following list under List Entries, that's here, and use Enter between the entries. Director, then Enter. Manager, and then Enter. Supervisor, then Enter. Administration, and then Enter. And finally, Production. Click Add, and now the custom list is stored and can be used. Click OK. Once custom lists have been added in this way, they can be used in any workbook. So we want to sort the list by status, so the drop-down by Sort By and then Status. Click the Order drop-down list and select Custom List. Select the Director entry, then OK, and then OK again, at which point the list will be sorted into the custom list order. So we have the Director at the top, then the Supervisors, then the Administration, then the Production. If we wish to delete the custom lists that we've just created, display the Custom Lists dialog box again. So Sort and Filter, Custom Sort, Custom List, select the Director entry, and then we have the option to delete. Press Delete, and then click OK to confirm the deletion. Click OK to close the Custom Lists dialog box. Close the Sort box using the Close button. And finally, close the workbook without saving. Okay, your job now is Lesson 52, which is revision. It's going to be revising Section 11, which is again the topic of sorting. And I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be discussing lists. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.